Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we're gonna learn how to take the integration of exponential function. But first, let us see what is the derivative of exponential function. Let me consider an example of e power ax. In our previous video, you have learned that how to take the derivative of exponential function. Let's follow the rule. Rule says exponential function as it is, and we multiply it with the derivative of the power, and derivative of power is a. Today we are going to learn integration of exponential function. Okay, let's take the integral. We can cancel dx with this dx, and d for derivative, it is opposite to integral, so we can cancel it, and then we have e power ax is equal to, this a is a constant term which is multiplying with the function. According to the rule of integral, we can bring the coefficient outside of this exponential function, and the next step, if I bring it on the other side, it will give us this step. It gives the idea that integral of any exponential function will be of the form e power ax divided by a. And for integration, we write a constant term. This rule says whenever you are taking the integral, the first step is write the exponential function as it is, then divide with the derivative of the power. This is the rule. Let me write this rule in general form. We have e power f of x, and we are taking integral, then we write the exponential function as it is, and we divide it with the derivative of that power, which is f of x, and then plus c. This is the rule. Let's consider few examples. A part is integral e power 3x dx. Rule is very simple. Write the exponential function as it is, take the derivative of the power, and it would be 3. Just divide it in case of integration. Part number A, done. Okay, if I consider D part where minus 4 is multiplying with the exponential function, we are taking the integral with respect to x, we can write minus 4 outside of the bracket and e power minus 4x and dx. Then we take the integral minus 4 as it is. It is a constant which is multiplying with the exponential function. We call it as a coefficient. We'll take the integral of exponential function. And the rule says we write the exponential function as it is, and then we divide it with the derivative of the power. Let's find the derivative of the power. It is minus 4. So we divide it minus 4, and then we put a constant with plus sign. Minus 4 and minus 4 is cancel, e power minus 4x plus c. So this is the answer. Looking at part H, and this part H says that 3e times e power 2 plus 4x. You can see that 3e is multiplying with the exponential function, and the thing which we can do, e is with power 1, bases are same and they are multiplying, we can add the powers. So when you add 1 to the term 2, it is 3. 3 plus 4x. Now you'll take the integral exponential function as it is and divide it with the derivative of the power. Derivative of power is 4, so divide it with 4, introduce plus c, and write them in an order. It is 3 by 4 e power 3 plus 4x and plus c. So here is the rule for simple integration of exponential function. Let's consider few questions of definite integral. In this question, I'm considering a part. Exponential function is with the limit 1 to 2 and dx. Rule of integration is exactly same. We write the exponential function as it is, and then we divide it with the power, and then we substitute the limit in places of x. Whenever you are putting the limits, the rule says we put upper limit and then we put minus sign, substitute the lower limit. Rule is upper minus lower limit. E power 2 into 2. This is upper limit. So we have substituted upper limit to the expression and then we put minus sign and e power 2 into 1 and divided by 2. Then we put the lower limit. It is e power 4 minus e power 2. Due to same denominator, we can write it at this form. So you can leave your answer in form of E. Okay, rule of integration is same. You simply need to substitute the limit values, part number H. And here I can see that the lower limit is minus 3, upper limit is 9. Exponential function is e power log of 3 and dx. Rule of integration is exactly same. We write the whole exponential function as it is and then we divide it with the derivative of the power. Look at this power. In this power, we have the expression x into log of 3. Log of 3 is a constant number which is multiplying with a variable. It means we'll only take the derivative of variable which is 1 multiply with the coefficient. So finally, its simplified answer would be log 3. So this is the derivative of power. You can substitute the limit in the next step. Minus 3 to 9. Again, rule says we put upper limit in places of x minus lower limit e power minus 3 log of 3 and divided by log of 3. We need to simplify this step as 9 is multiplying with log 3 and if we use the rule of log, so this 9 can be written in the power of 3. 3 log 3 power 9 minus 1 over log 3 and e power is log of 3 power minus 3. In this step, we can cancel log, natural log with e, natural log with e, and the remaining term would be 3 power 9 divided by log of 3 minus 3 power minus 3 divided by log of 3. 3 power 9 divided by log of 3 and 1 over 27 and this is log of 3. Okay, this is it. I'm sure you have learned how to take the integral of exponential function in form of indefinite integral and in form of definite integral. All right. See you in next video with new topic. Thank you very much. Take care.